What's in? What's up?
What's in? What's up?
Hello guys, this is Gary and welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's in? What's up? So what's in and what's up for today? It's my haircut. Well, I had this DIY haircut and I think this will last for another 2 weeks. I just did this because of the lockdown. Can't go anywhere. And okay, well seriously, today is all about Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Things about Port Elizabeth. So I hope you will enjoy this video, guys. This is just a quick tour. And don't forget to comment down below, click like, subscribe, and the bell button after watching this. Okay? See you around. Again, this is Gary. What's in? What's up?
The Port Elizabeth area was first visited by the Portuguese in 1482. For 100 years, it remained in the hands of the Portuguese as a vital port for outbound ships on the Cape route to India. The first Europeans to visit the area sailed with the Portuguese explorers Bartolomeu Dias, who landed on San Croix Island in Algoa Bay in 1488, and Vasco da Gama, who noted the nearby Bird Island in 1497. For centuries, the area appeared on European navigation charts marked simply as a landing place with fresh water. Today, over 1.2 million people live in the Nelson Mandela Bay municipal area. It's actually South Africa's second largest city, with regards to its area at least. If you go by the population count, it's the 5th largest city in the country. The city was founded in 1820 by Sir Ruthven Sean Donkin. 4,000 British settlers settled in the area. He named the town after his deceased wife, Elizabeth. The city is nicknamed PE by South Africans and is also known as the Friendly City, the Windy City, and the 10-minute city. The city has 40 kilometers of unspoiled coastline consisting mostly of beaches. I have not tried the beach while I am there because the weather was not that really great during that day. I've heard also that you can experience the 4 seasons in just one day here in South Africa. Donkin Reserve, located off Belmont Terrace, central, and overlooking the city, was proclaimed an open space in perpetuity by Sir Rufon Donkin.
Welcome to the famous lighthouse here in Port Elizabeth, South Africa.
The Donkin Reserve Pyramid and Lighthouse includes a stone pyramid monument with a touching inscription erected by Sir Rufon Donkin in memory of his late wife Elizabeth, after whom the city was named, as well as palm-lined walkways and benches. The pyramid is approximately 10 meters high, and the sides at the base measure about 8 meters each. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from me. So this is Gary. What's in? What's up? See you next time.